In this video, I'll guide you on how to delete from the library or watch history on YouTube TV. Let's dive right in. Firstly, open YouTube TV by launching the app or visiting the website and signing in with your credentials. Next, navigate to the library by clicking on the Library tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your YouTube TV library, where all your recorded shows and videos are stored. Once in the library, scroll through and select the video you wish to delete from your watch history. Click on the video to open its details page. On the video's details page, look for the option related to managing the video. This might be represented by an icon such as an EPIs or a trash bin, depending on the platform. Click on the appropriate option indicating deletion. A confirmation prompt will then appear, asking you to confirm the deletion. Review the information and ensure that you indeed want to delete the video. If you're certain, select Delete or Confirm to finalize the deletion. And there you have it. Your selected video has been successfully removed from your library or watch history on YouTube TV. Thank you for watching.